Before jumping into the practical world of SAP Cloud Platform, we need to know about environments. This concept is very important to understand because whenever we are dealing with SAP Cloud Platform, we will have to go through the environment. It is the environment in which we will be developing our application or hosting our applications. Basically, environment constitutes the actual platform as a service offering of SAP Cloud Platform that allows for the development and administration of business application. In the account creation video, we had seen that there were two options on screen. Let's talk about them. We have two major types of environments, Neo and Cloud Foundry. SAP is also mentioning about two other environments in certification books. These are ABAP environment and Kima environment. These ABAP environment and Kima environments are actually part of Cloud Foundry environment. You may be wondering why there are different types of environments. Why not a single environment? Actually, each environment comes equipped with tools, technologies, and runtime that you need to build applications. I will be explaining each of these environments in detail in the upcoming videos.